Well, hello! We got something different today. We got a package. Let's unbox this thing, huh? So what we should have here is a 360-degree swivel tripod made for iPhones and Androids. What it's supposed to do is follow your face around the room no matter where you go. It's also supposed to have a selfie stick. I first ran across this on Facebook when I was scrolling one night last week. It looked like a really good idea. The video that they showed for it looked really good. It looked like it worked well. So I wanted to try one, but I don't like ordering stuff off Facebook. So we went to Amazon and we found the same product and we ordered it. We're trying to up our game here in the shop as far as like video content. We've been doing a hell of a lot more than what we have in the past. So we're just trying to get better equipment to give you guys better content, and hopefully this will help out. So instead of wasting time, let's open her up, shall we? Watch, this thing's probably going to need batteries or something, and all I have are AA's over in the top of my tool chest, but I don't know if I have enough. A box within a box. Why do they do that? I'm kind of concerned already with the size of the box. I don't know. Looks can be deceiving though, especially with the way they make things nowadays. Or worse yet, I probably got what I paid for. What do we got here? Oh, we got a little baggie. Probably put our store stick in and our tripod. Well, we got some nice packaging. Alright, let's see what we got. Out of the box. Presuming it's probably a link cable or a charging cable. Okay. Oh, they did give us instructions. Look at that. Okay, I was kind of hoping for a larger tripod, but we can make this work, I think. Pictures were definitely deceiving. Alright. Let's see if we can figure out how to work this thing. Okay, so actually, after reading the instructions, imagine that, it does extend, which I'm happy about now. I feel a bit better. But we do gotta let some things charge up, so we're gonna give it some time and we'll be back. Okay, so this thing actually works. If you're watching the green light, I'm moving around the room. And it's actually following me. This is really cool. And apparently I'm supposed to be able to do this, and it's supposed to stop following. And apparently I need to read a little more on that one. Anyways, it's doing exactly what we want it to do. Now I can commentate and video and move around the room without always having to stop, click. So yeah, I think this is gonna work out well. It wasn't very expensive. It was only $35, I believe, on Amazon when I bought it. So there's the 360 degree on its own, it'll do. And I'll have to figure that out. Well, I guess we're learning to do, but at least it does what it said it was supposed to do. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description of the product if you guys are interested in it. Thanks for checking it out, and have a great day, guys.